Well, while we living in a country diverse like India with regional languages of officially recognized about 22 languages already, so is it really important to learn English? Expert says yes. Because learning English can be a valuable skill in both personal and professional lives. So, learning fluent English is very important. It is like adding a feather in your cap. So, learning fluent English is of paramount importance to communicate across the world. It provides us global communication, access to knowledge, career opportunities, education, and cultural exchange, social interactions, travel and tourism, improved cognitive skills, and even in government and legal communications, we require English to be spoken well. And last but not the least, it increases our confidence level. Even in a country like India, it has become a marker of education and status of us. Being a fluent English speaker does not only gives you confidence but also a sense of accomplishment. So learning English is of paramount importance. Now we have understood it. Even now few people will say that we living in country like India or some other countries where the language mother tongue is not English, so why should we learn English? So I would just say even the Hindi medium schools in our country have a subject English. Now the question arises, what is the right time to introduce language English to the babies, or by what age should we introduce the language English to the babies? Well, the expert suggests that babyhood period, that is right from the birth to the age of 2 or 3, is the excellent time for the acquisition of language English because brain works as a sponge at that time. Now we as parents get worry easily about कि हमारा बच्चा multilingual या bilingual कैसे हो सकता है, like how can he or she will learn so many languages at a time right from birth. Yes, he or she can. Because the brain distinguishes each and every language, each and every word you speak. अगर आप उसके सामने मैक्सिमम हिंदी में कम्युनिकेट करेंगे तो वो मैक्सिमम हिंदी में ही कम्युनिकेट करेगा. But if you'll use few words of English or few phrases, few sentences of English, then he or she will definitely try to speak and understand those words. See, it's very simple. हमारे बच्चे naturally receptive होते हैं to learn languages during their early years of childhood. So, early language acquisition makes it easier for them to pick up new words and sound. They have least of the confusions in their heads. They are very sorted, they understand, they differentiate between the words and the phrases and the language. Even we all as Indian parents must have observed कि अगर वही बात हम उनको English में बोलते हैं और same बात हम उनको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, they react to both. And even at times they react the same. For example, if we say come here, they understand that. अगर हम उनसे कहते हैं कि इधर आइए या इधर आओ, वो भी वो समझते हैं. So that means at a time they are understanding multiple languages. See, period from birth to the age of around 3 is critical for brain development, and exposing to language English can positively impact their cognitive abilities. So अब सवाल ये है कि हम अपने बच्चों को easily English कैसे introduce करा सकते हैं. I am not saying that learning English is a child's play, but why not we make it a child's play, the simple, the easiest. And listen, I am not creating a hype to learn English, that it is very important, there is no survival without learning English. But when something is really important for the communication and for even the survival of people, why not we learn that? And as we all know, हमारा memory system बहुत sharp होता है at the young age, so why not to learn things and the language at that young age. हम अपने बच्चों को English सिखाना कैसे start कर सकते हैं? So it is when to start, how to start and what to start with. So when to start, I have already discussed कि उनका easiest जो youngest age है, यानी कि as early as possible, जितना भी बड़ा बच्चा है अभी आपका, start it today only. How to start? Consistent exposure through rhymes, songs, English words, sentences, phrases and daily interaction is very important here. Now the most important, what to start with? Start it with the easiest common words like hi, hello, daddy, shoes, no, more, mama, bath, etc. Or you can completely start it with the numbers 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to up to 100. We can go for colors, like name of the colors, what color is it. You can ask what color is it, and they can tell. We can go up with the adjectives like big, small, tall, happy, tired, sad. And we can go for the body parts as well, like hands, nose, eyes, ears, tooth, lips, cheeks, etc. We can go with the names of the toys also. We can go with the names of the animals also, the categories of the animals, example pet, farm, and wild animals. We can go with the category of the foods, like in foods we can categorize as fruits, vegetables, etc. So I have come up with the 50 easiest sentences for the babies, for the children to learn English easily. Let's learn it together. So we can move forward with the sentences like I love you. This is a ball. Where is your toy? You are so cute. Look at the cat. Can you say hello? It's time to eat. Let's play together. Mommy loves you. Daddy is here. This is your book. Can you smile? Let's go outside. Look at the sky. This is my hand. These sentences are very simple sentences. Now, others are here is your bottle. Let's sing a song. The dog is barking. You are my sunshine. Can you clap your hands? Time for bed. I am happy. You are sleepy. Let's count the stars. Look at the rainbow. The car is red. Can you wave bye bye? I see a bird. It's raining today. You are so strong. Others can be let's play with blocks. What color is this? This is a big tree. Do you want to dance? It's a beautiful day. I am proud of you. Let's go for a walk. Can you touch your nose? Let's count to 5. You are my little star. Look, a butterfly. Here is your hat. It's time for a nap. Do you want more? Let's go to the park. The flowers are pretty. You are my best friend. Let's jump up and down. It's a blue sky today. You make me smile. My dear viewers, this was the list I prepared for my baby. Your list could be different because your sentences, your phrases could be different, your words could be different, but just we have to focus with the smallest sentences or smallest words ever. And one more thing, we have to speak very slowly so that the student, the child can understand the language or the words of us. And also आप रिपीट करने की बहुत कोशिश करिए, लाइक अ सेम सेंटेंस हैज़ टू बी रिपीटेड डेली सो दैट द चाइल्ड कैन मेमोराइज इट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल डे. अगर आप ये कहते हैं तो कीप सेइंग इट वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली और वेरी ऑफन so that the child keeps on remembering the same sentence. That's all for today. Keep growing and keep making